Dear friends, the motivation behind my presence here is that the director of my institute, Jinnah Colleges, Mansehra, embracing the love and guidance of his friend, brother and mentor, Abdul Wahid Mir, formed a small token to be presented on behalf of his institute, an embodiment of love, peace and togetherness, inspiration of ICS2C. First of all, Honorable Mr. Fayaz Ahmed, Director of my institute, Jinnah Colleges, will present the Shield of Peace. I request His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Jagdesh Gandhi, a visionary, to accept our humble token of love and gratitude.
Games and sports are essential to keep students mentally and physically nourished and fit. Apart from sports fixture, annual regular sports week is held in which students take active part along with teachers. It is compulsory for every student to take active part at least in one game. School has an adequate and well-maintained sports arena. The main sporting activities are athletics, cricket, hockey, football, badminton, table tennis and volleyball. College sports teams won several prizes at inter-divisional competitions. Our objective is to enable students more and more proficient in their respective subjects. To achieve this objective, we have prepared a comprehensive scheme of studies according to available working days in the session. This helps the teachers to complete their courses smoothly and timely. Assessment consists of written and oral class monthly tests along with 3 comprehensive term exams. For the transparency of assessment, marks of monthly test, homework and vacation work constitute the 20% of term exams. The teachers' parent meetings are held at the break of each term, and during the session, we let them know about the progress of the child. Due to this concrete system, during the previous years, our students have shown outstanding performance with the tireless efforts of our able teachers and achieved top position at the board and university level. If only take example of 2008 session of Commerce section, this year can be termed as another year of remarkable achievement. As in BCom final examination 2008, our students gained top 6 positions in Hazara University. Ms. Madiha Sultan topped the Hazara University. Mr. Faisal Manzoor got 2nd position. Ms. Tanjila Khan got 3rd position. By the grace of Allah, in FSC, Pre-Medical and Pre-Engineering Aptabad Board, successful batches have passed out with 100% result since its initiation. We are multiplying our efforts to make sure that we not only sustain our position but should excel further. As Plato said, good life is within a good society. The main emphasis of every civilized nation is to equip and train their future nation as a complete human being and competent citizen. For maximum upheaval of your children, spiritually, physically and morally, not only good educational institute is important, but proper training at home is obligatory. It is our utmost aim and effort to create a distinctive group of youth who will create a difference and will prove themselves a constructive pillar of the society. So for stabilizing the students on the podium of success, Jinnah Colleges propagate discipline and proper code of conduct in its policies. Time itself proved that Jinnah Colleges is a gateway to excellence and tranquility in the field of education and knowledge. It is a portal to success for the young achievers, a positive direction to maximize their abilities. Jinnah Colleges are giving future generation the soul of real traditional education with all its manifestations in modern techniques and advancements. It is bringing out the real spirit of education in the mainstream. Pakhians realize that through the consciousness of thyself and spiritual transcendence, they will make sky their flow. The magnificent Pakhians surely personify our motto, education that works, and will add new chapters to the story of the achievements of Jinnah Colleges. It is in fact the real spirit of the education if it is implemented successfully in working and stimulating entire abilities and structuring complete personality of our students and society. progress is the key to success. Inshallah, our tomorrow will be much glorious than today.